Hello, guys. How are you doing? Welcome to a new episode of Secret Niches. Let's get ready into it. Go!
Secret niche number 1.
For the first niche, I have this new trending niche that has 600 results, but I think it's less. You see why? It's the praise I need a hug from a body. Okay? There's a lot of sellers that are using the I need a hug from a back word, but I think that's not the way. You should go like this, like button. Okay? With this word, you will have problems, perhaps in market. Okay? As you can see, the ESR is very good. This was uploaded on March 8th. This on March 8th also. They are selling. Let's see. Here's another one with body, and BSR is good. It's uploaded yesterday. You can do this type of design, this type. Dude, don't do that. The only just text, because everyone does that. Okay, it sells, but perhaps you can find a different way. For example, this one. For example, this one. Okay, use your creative weapons. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 2.
For the second niche, I have this niche that does less than 500 results. I don't know why this is trending, but it is. You see, look at the BSR. Less than 100,000. It's a smiley with the phrase I hate you. 50 bought in the past month. Okay, I hate you. Look at the BSR. It's very good. Try to differentiate yourself, because everyone put the smile and I hate you. Try to find a different way. For example, this is different, even though the yellow is very striking. So maybe you can change the yellow for a red. I don't know, a pink, something like that. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 3.
For the third niche, I have this low competition niche. Competition is 636. It's a Christian, Jesus, God related niche that it sells very well on Amazon. Christianity. That niche is very huge, but sells very well. And the craze is up to praise the Lord. I've seen this pray before, the up to praise, but with other things, not the Lord. Okay, you can use a cat. Look at the BSI, very good. It was loaded on March 6th. March 6th. You see, there are only. You can use the cat. You can use the goose, the frog. Let's see. You can use, I think, this scooter. You can use a bike, maybe a skate. You can use a small car. Okay, perhaps you can use a bunny, because now Easter is coming. That's a good one. Maybe I try it. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 4.
For the fourth niche, I have this small niche with only 200 competition of results. That is the praise love the unloved. And it uses unloved insects like worms, scorpions. Let's see, pigeons, rat, frogs. You see, rats, snakes, spiders, snails. You see the point? I have some designs here, and I sell them. No, it's not a hot potato, but they sell. Okay, here you see different styles. This one I like. It's selling, and the competition is very low. Okay, secret niche.
Secret niche number 5.
And for the final fifth niche, I got this niche with 600 results. Another Christian God, Jesus related niche with the praise worship anyway. The design is very simple, just text. grunge text over the shirt. Still, the story is very good. This was uploaded in March, February 2026, all new. Perhaps you can make use a different font like this, or use the cross, Eastern cross. Seek it well with this a different phrase, but related. Perhaps you can do it on white background. Okay, investigate and find the best way to differentiate yourself. I have to say. Okay, hope you like this new chapter, and please write me in the comments what you think, what you would like to see. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.